Ideas of development. It is a second chapter, very interesting chapter. Let us see that what is meant by development here. We know that we all have some desires and aspirations regarding development. We think about our development. So when we think of development, we will find different ideas. What we would like to do about the development. How does people have ideas regarding their development? In the same manner, similarly, we also find development for a nation. What are the essential things for a nation? Whether life be better for all, and thinking about life, whether we find equality of life for all. So development is not about one goal. There are many aspirations for our development. For a nation too, we find many goals in the process of its development. So development involves thinking about those questions. That is, what are essential things? Can life be better for all? Can equality of life is given to all? These all the questions are involved in development. So development is one complex task. In this chapter, we'll try to understand what is development. Let us try to find out what is development and what development promises for different peoples by moving with one table. Look at here. He is a landless rural labor. So, what is the idea regarding development of this landless rural labor? What he thinks of his life? How does he want to make his life good? So, what is his goal? Being a landless rural labor, what is the development goal of this landless rural labor? It is mentioned here that generally landless rural labor, they want more days of work and better wages. That is their idea regarding development. We know that landless rural labor do not find everyday work. So they want work every day. That is more days of work. Every day they want work. And wages, what they get are insufficient. Unfair wages they are getting for their work. So they think of better wages for their work. So this is the goal, that is the idea of development of a landless rural labor. Understand? Let us see another person, that is prosperous farmer. What is mean by prosperous farmer? A farmer who is well developed in all the things. A farmer who have all the things for doing cultivation. We call him prosperous farmer. Who have many acres of land, who have capital in his hand, right? So for him, there won't be any kind of insufficiency. Such people are called prosperous farmers. So what is the goal of a prosperous farmer? So here we see that being a prosperous farmer, he thinks that he should get high income. Whatever he sells in the market, when he want to sell his crop in the market, he thinks to get a good income, good price for his crop. Okay. And second thing, he thinks that workers, agriculture workers working in his farm should work for cheap wages, that is cheap labor. Understand? So prosperous farmer, for his development, he thinks that there should be good price for his crop, that is a high income from the crop. And second is that his workers working in the agriculture field should work for less wages, that is cheap laborers. So prosperous farmer idea of development is not similar with the what you call landless rural labor. Landless rural labor thinks more days of work and better wages, right? So the idea of development of this landless rural labor is different from prosperous farmer. Prosperous farmer wanted a cheap labors. Landless rural laborers who work for wages think of better wages, right? So here agriculture, that is in agriculture field, in any field we see that a person to person there is difference in their ideas of development. Some more details we see here. Now think of this farmer depending only on rains. What kind of farmer he is? He is a farmer who cultivates crops depending on rain. So what he thinks of is development. What is needed for his development? For his development, he need good rainfall. When there is rainfall, he is able to get a crop, right? He is not able to get irrigation from the canals. He is a farmer who cannot afford irrigation by paying money. So this farmer depending solely on rains. So he thinks that he should get rains, that is good rains, understand, so that he could cultivate his crop. So what is his idea of development? His idea of development is that he should get what? Good rains. When rains are sufficient, then he will get the crop into his hand and he can survive. That is his development. So the first person, landless rural labor. Second person, prosperous farmer. And third is farmer who depending on rains. So these three persons have different notion, different concept of development. Understand? Let us see one more person. Okay, look at here, a rural woman from land owning family. Okay, she is a woman and have land. So what is her development? Understand? She wanted that her income should increase, rise in income, development of the children. For a mother, what is the development that a mother wants? That his children, her children should what? Grow and develop. Understand? So the development of the children is the development of a mother. Understand? So this is the goal of the mother. So mother goal is different with the prosperous farmer. Prosperous farmer's developmental goal is different from landless rural labor and a farmer who is depending only on rains, right? The next we see your urban unemployed youth, who is educated person in urban area and finding for job, that what we call urban unemployed youth instead. So many are unemployed people in this world, in cities and rural areas, in urban area as well as in rural area we find. So what will be the developmental goal for this urban unemployed youth? That is good job, sufficient income, right? Those who are unemployed, they think of that their life should be better. So what, how can they make their life better? By getting a good job, and in that job he should get sufficient income. That means high income he should get, and that job must be good. What do you mean by good job? A job where he can get respect, a job in which he should not have any kind of torture, right? A job in which he could find his place, his position, and he should be recognized in the what to call organization. That is mean by good job instead. So what is his goal? His goal is that good job and sufficient income. This is the goal of urban unemployed youth instead. Now look at here, it is Adivasi. Who is called Adivasi? That is a tribal people who live in hilly area or in the forest area instead. So what will be the goal of these Adivasis who are working in a mines instead? Adivasis, they are far from the water urban area, right? They are not able to get education because schools will not be in a forest area. So what do they think? They think good education for their children and better life to their children, because they are far from the water urban area. So that their goal is that good education, better life for their children. This is the goal of Adivasis instead, right? And see, these Adivasis are working in a what you call mining fields. And another is there a fisherman who catches fish, which is his livelihood. So what is his goal? He wanted to get good number of fish, that is good catch, okay, and by getting good catch of fish he could get good income, right? So fisherman goal is to get good number of fish through which he can earn a good income, right? Then an Adivasi also want good education, better life for children, right? Then an urban unemployed youth also wanted sufficient income. The next we see that the children of a rural woman from land owning family also wanted their children should develop and raise in the income, family income, okay. Farmer depending on rains, he want good rains so that he could sell, so that he could get a good crop and that he can sell in the market and earn good income. So in all these people there is one common thing. What is that common thing? Money. Everybody want income, right? Everybody want income. Income is needed, right? But the goals are different here, okay. More number of wages, more number of days of work, and better wages for a landless rural. And whereas a prosperous farmer wanted cheap labor. So every individual have different goal, right? See, the landless rural labor goal is different from the prosperous farmer. Let me ask a question to you, that why does not prosperous farmer have the same notion of development which landless rural labor have and rest of the people, other people. Why all these individuals do not have the same kind of development? Why does not all these individuals have the same idea of their development? Because their life situations are different. What is the life situation of the landless rural labor? He is a rural labor who does not have land. So his life situation is different from the prosperous farmer. What is the life situation of the prosperous farmer? Prosperous farmer have land. So he does not think of the word land. Then what he want high income and cheap labor. Or not. He gets the word irrigation by canals. He is able to pay money for getting irrigation. So his life situation is different, so that his development is different. Then farmer depending only on rains. He does not have what you call irrigation facilities. So you want to get rains. His life situation is depending on rain. If there is good rain, then his life is better. So what his life situation decides what type of idea of development he should have. So why does the people have different ideas of development? Because their life situations are different. Understand? Their way of thinking also different, right? A landless rural labor thinks of his life depending on his situation. So what is the thing here? When people have different life situations, we find different ideas of development. That's the first point. Development is a complex task. What do you mean by complex task? It is a difficult task, right? Because it does not involve only one idea of development. It involves many ideas regarding their development. Here we have taken one example. When we think of the development, we'll come across different ideas, right? So let us see what is development here. Development is a complex task. All the persons do not have same concept, that is notion of development, right? All the persons do not have the same notion of development. That is, the idea of development for a rural labor, landless rural labor, is different from prosperous farmer. And these two persons ideas of development is different from a fisherman, from Adivasi, and urban unemployed youth. So all the persons do not have the what same ideas of development, same notion of the development, because their life situations are different. Understand? Here we see that how the development started here. So what development promises? Development promises different for different people, right? For every person the development is different. Understand? So let us try to imagine that how the development started in this world. Okay, here what to call, do all these persons have the same notion of development? No, right? All the people do not have the same notion of development. Understand? So one cannot have the same notion of development with another person. Understand? So let us see here. We began agriculture some 2000 to 12,000 years ago, right? And the industrial development started some 400 years ago. So who are developed here, and what is the idea of their development? Why does not these people have the industrial development, right? When agriculture started in 12,000 years ago, Why did not they think of industrial development? Right? It is a question. Why did not think? Because they did not get food earlier. In the early days, the early man searched for the food. What was his what to call it, life? His life was food gatherer. Understand? Food searcher. In search of food, he traveled from one place to another place. That what we call nomadic life. What life? Nomadic life. Understand? When a person travels from one place to another place in search of food, we call such a life is nomadic life. Understand? So early man life was a nomadic life. So at that time their goal is that to get the food. Their idea of development is to get the food. So for getting food, they started keeping their efforts. Understand? So in that process, they have come what to call in a position to produce food. So their life changed from food gatherer to food producer. When people started producing food at one place, then they started thinking for their life which could be better than that position. In early days, their life was what? A food gatherer. So they thought to get food at a place where they are living. Understand? So by producing food, they started living at one place. So that they started thinking to make their life further better than their life situation different from the early man. Early man walked, moved from one place to another place. And food producers, when the life turned to food producers, they lived at one place. So one of the idea of development they achieved, that is to produce the food. The next, what they wanted to make their life more comfortable than their previous position. So the life situation made them to think of the water industries which could make their life better. So later they started thinking what to call to make their life better. Understand? So what is mean of these two figures is that the development of an individual depends on their life situation, right? So the first figure showing their life situation is different from the second figure, right? So when industries have begun, the life has changed a lot. So in this manner, we will come to know that individuals have many aspirations. Instead, aspirations means desires, wants, right? We have so many desires, so many aspirations. So development does not involve only one goal, one want, one desire, right? In the process of our development, we want to fulfill our many wants, that is desires and aspirations. So development involves what to call many aspirations. It is a complex task and it varies from one person to another person, right? And all the individuals do not have the what same notion of development, right? And it is depending on the life situation of the people. As the life situation of the people are different, we find the development also varies from one person to another person.